Why do unmarried U.S. citizen children need a motion to remand for review? Imagine you are waiting for an important decision about your family's future. Sometimes, the process doesn't go as planned, and you need a way to ask for another look. That's where a motion to remand comes in. When it comes to unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, especially those over 21, the process can be complicated. These children fall into the family preference categories, which means their visas are limited and take time to become available. If something goes wrong or new information appears, they might need to ask the immigration authorities to review their case again. A motion to remand is a formal request to send the case back to the immigration judge or the immigration agency for another review. This can happen if new evidence shows up after the initial decision. For example, if a child's eligibility was not fully considered, or if there was an error in the paperwork, a motion to remand can help fix those mistakes. It's like asking for a second opinion to make sure everything was done correctly. Sometimes, issues arise because of the way the case was handled or because of changes in laws or procedures. For instance, if a family situation changes after the first decision, such as a new marriage or a different address, the case might need to be looked at again. During appeals, if new legal rules come into effect, a motion to remand can be used to incorporate those changes without starting a brand new case. For Latino families, understanding this process is important because it can affect how quickly their loved ones can come to live in the United States. If an unmarried adult child faces delays or complications, filing a motion to remand can be a way to present additional evidence or correct errors. It helps ensure the case is fair and complete. In practical terms, if a case is stuck or if new facts come to light, a motion to remand gives the immigration authorities a chance to reconsider. This can be especially helpful when visa numbers are limited and waiting times are long. It's a tool to keep the process moving and to make sure all relevant information is considered. Overall, a motion to remand is an important part of family-based immigration. It allows families to seek a fair review of their case when circumstances change or mistakes are found. For unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, it can mean the difference between waiting longer or moving forward to reunite with their families. Proper documentation and legal guidance are key to making the most of this process and ensuring the best outcome.